Hello, good morning. My name is Gerardo Andres Martinez. This is the Evidence One video blog. What did you used to do when you were bored? Speaking of vocabulary, welcome. First, let's talk about the contextualization. Undoubtedly, the COVID-19 pandemic has been one of the proudest and most complex experiences humanity has faced in modern times. We used to feel safe and in control until a small virus showed us the reality of life. Well, the first question, what were the times of the day when you felt the most bored? Well, those at those times, I have a little time to be bored because I continue work as usual, with all the required cares, of course. And I also studying virtually. But the most boring moments, if you ask me, were in the middle of the afternoon when I really wanted to go out to do something outside, and it was forbidden. It was boring to think of all of the things that I used to do, but it wasn't possible. The second question is, what were those activities you used to do to get rid of boredom before isolation? Well, I used to exercise by bicycle to nearby towns with a group of friends on some days. I also used to go to play soccer. Likewise, I used to attend chess championships and of course go to the parties and see loved ones at family gatherings. All these things to took away my boredom before pandemic and now after pandemic. Next question we have here. Did you decide on your own to start doing them or did you see them from some outside source? But well, some of these activities I was able to find alternative and on my own, of course. My fondness for cycling was calm because I cycle to work as a safety measure and avoid a public transportation. I play chess in virtual championships. As I play for soccer, I play with my son on the terrace without leaving the house. Um, And sometimes, with all the care, my mom and my brother would visit me. So I can say that I start to do those activity alternative. The next question is, do you used to do those activities alone or with people who were in the house as well? Um, I did not used to do these activities with people from my house. This is my wife and my son. Except for some family gatherings. 19%, so to speak, I make it with outsiders. Finally, did you share through social networks those activities with someone else so that they could use them? And yes, of course. I think I share chess tournaments in my social networks. If any contact was interested to have more player, I think. Well, thank you for your attention. Have a good day. Bye bye.